So we recently got a request from a viewer and they asked us, hey, would you mind showing me how to make fajita your way? And I said, well, absolutely. So today that's what we're doing. We're making some fajitas, guys. We're gonna put a bunch of different seasonings in there. We're gonna really spice it up. It's gonna be really, really good. So we're gonna use a top sirloin today. All right, so this one still has the bone in, right? So what I'm gonna do, take this, follow the bone. We're not leaving the bone in. Now, you see the fat cap here? We're gonna go ahead and trim this a little bit. I don't want to trim it too much because I love fat. Fat means flavor. I'm gonna cut this in half and make them a little bit smaller strips. Now, if you want to tenderize the meat really quick, which I should have done before I cut it, however, we're gonna go ahead and do it with it being sliced up. I'm just gonna take this little mallet right here and we're gonna beat the meat. All right, so there you go. We have it a little bit tenderized. Get yourself a little glass bowl. So now the seasoning. We're gonna cheat just a little bit. We're gonna use a seasoning packet for fajitas and we're gonna throw in our seasonings as well to enhance it even more. 1 teaspoon of garlic, 1 teaspoon of cumin, 1 teaspoon of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of paprika, and 1 teaspoon of 7 spice. All right, so we're gonna give this a mix. 2 more things left. We're gonna add a pinch of salt and a pinch of black pepper. We'll go ahead and give this a mix. And we're gonna transfer half to a glass bowl. The rest, we're gonna marinate in the meat. Give it a mix. All right, now that you see that the meat's coated with the actual seasoning, the actual oil is not becoming a barrier between the meat and the seasonings. Now, we'll go ahead and add some neutral oil. Give it a mix. A little bit more. Total about a 1/4 cup. Now we're gonna go ahead and cover it and put it in the fridge at least half hour, at least. All right, my favorite part of cooking. It's time to slice and dice. We have 3 different bell peppers, red, green, and yellow. We're gonna go ahead and slice these up into small strips. We're also gonna add a purple onion to this.
Oh my gosh.
What?
You said purple onion.
Dude, it's purple.
That wasn't
Red onion, fine, red onion. But it's purple. All right, we're gonna use half. So go ahead and take the root out, and however thick you want. Into the bowl. And last but not least, jalapeno. And yes, we are leaving the seeds in on this one. All right, with these, I'm not gonna leave them long. I'm not gonna julienne them. I'm gonna cut them into little cubes, smaller cubes. It's not rocket science, guys. It's easy. Easy peasy. Jalapeno goes in. Pinch of salt. Pinch of black pepper. And the seasoning that we put aside, we're gonna go ahead and dump that in. Man, this thing is gonna be really powerful. Be really, really good. Just give it a mix. Now we'll go ahead and add the oil. Neutral oil again. About a 1/4 cup. And we'll just give it a mix. It's gonna be really flavorful because we're gonna give it a little time for everybody to get to know everybody. And the party's gonna be good, bro. Cover it, again, for about half hour at least. And let them party in the fridge. All right, so the meat is ready and we're gonna go ahead and start searing the meat first separately. So let's go ahead and take out the pan.
What is that?
What, you never seen a pan like this?
Oh my god. You're such a jokester. Did you really buy that just to do that joke?
Bro, I make eggs in this. This is bomb. This is like one of the best things they made for culinary. I can flip the egg in it. One of these days we'll do an episode and I'll show you guys how I actually can flip the egg. It's pretty cool.
Are you serious? You really use that?
I swear to God. Yeah, bro, it's not easy. You gotta have, bro, you can use the big one and go like that all you want. Try to flip an egg in this little thing.
Alright, we're gonna
It's
definitely
cool.
do an episode with that.
Yeah, for sure. All right, so let's turn on the cast iron. All right, so this is hot. I actually preheated it before we started. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of oil. And let me put one in there. Let's see if it's gonna sizzle. Yes, bingo. Drop the meat into the torture chamber.
Wow, I can smell the flavors already.
Absolutely. All right, so that one's going. We're gonna go ahead and start the vegetables. All right, so this one's hot. A little bit of oil. Now to this we're gonna add some garlic. Yes, you heard it right. More garlic. Cook this down just a hair, not much, right? Because we don't want the garlic to burn. Now we'll go ahead and put in our veggies. All right, we'll let these cook down a little bit. Check on the meat. Beautiful. Oh yeah, look at the caramelization on the meat. I'm gonna turn this down a hair to about medium. Give this a mix. All right, now I have some mushrooms that I chopped. I'm gonna go ahead and dump those in there. Just give it a mix. The meat looks pretty much done. What I'm gonna do is turn this off. I'm actually gonna take the meat out and continue cooking the vegetables with the actual oils and all the flavors that's on the cast iron. Now let's cover this and let the steam cook it a little bit. All right, let's go ahead and take out this meat from here and let it rest a little bit. All right, let's check on, oh, beautiful, look at that. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and move this over and finish it off in a cast iron. All right, so all those flavors that were stuck to the cast iron, we'll go ahead and scrape them. Now let's go ahead and add the actual steak in and give it a mix. And let's give it a little taste, see if we need more seasoning or salt. Got it, bomb.
That looks so freaking good.
Does it? Those colors, your eyes just, you eat with your eyes.
Are we done yet?
Are we done yet? Yes, we are pretty much done. What I'm gonna do is go ahead and add in some cilantro. Give it a mix.
Oh, you got a plate yet, or?
Oh, dude, this is the plate right here.
Oh, that's the plate?
This is the plate, bro. Put this underneath. And voila.
Wow, looks good.
There you go, guys. My take on a fajita dish. Really simple, really quick. It was really, really nice doing this one because there's a lot of different components and flavors. And try it out. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. And we'll see you on the next one.